Till now, we have studied the addition of like fractions. Now, let us try to add two unlike fractions. See, let me take the first fraction 3 by 4. So, the meaning of this fraction is this circle is divided into 4 parts, denominator 4. Among that, I have taken 1, 2, 3 parts I have taken. Okay. Next, what's there next? I am going to take another fraction 1 by 2. See, 1 by 2. The circle is divided into 2 parts. Among that, I am going to take 1 part. Okay. So now when I add, see here, see this part, I will keep it here. See this part, I have kept it. See here, 3 parts are there. But I can keep only 1 part here. See 1, 2. See 1, 2. See this is the third part. You can take it as fourth part. Fourth part I have already kept it here. First part I can keep it here. One. Second part I can keep it here. So it is completed. The circle is completed. Still the third part I should keep it. So I will draw another circle. Among that I am going to keep it third part. So 1 whole plus 1 by 4th part. See, among the 4 parts, I have taken 1 part here. This is the third part. Okay. See, how to do this addition of these fractions? I will explain. See, when you observe, this is 3 by 4. When you observe this second fraction, 1 by 2. So the size is different here. The size is big here and the size is small. So when you come across unlike fractions, first what you have to do is, you should make the denominators same. When you observe 2 and 4, you can convert 2 into 4 easily by making equivalent fraction. The value will not change. Multiply the denominator by 2, numerator by 2. See, just by observation. So now, what's the meaning of that one? I have divided the denominator and numerator into two parts. That's the meaning. So yeah, now the size will become same. See, size has become same. So the new equivalent fraction will be 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So the unlike fraction has become like fractions now. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 4. So now you can follow how we have done the addition of like fractions. The same way we are going to do it here. The 4 will be the common denominator. 3 first numerator. 2 second numerator. You add these two, then it will be 5 by 4. When you observe this fraction, this is improper. Convert into mixed fraction. 5 should be divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 1 remainder. So the denominator is 4 itself. 1 will come here. See, 1 whole. This 1 is 1 whole. 1 by 4 is this third. Now I think you have understood. See, when you get unlike fractions, first thing what you have to do is, you should make the denominator same. That is very important. Denominators should be made same. That is the first step. First step, make the denominator same. Then you add the like fractions. First step, making the denominator same. Second step is add them. As you do addition of like fractions, the same things will follow. This is the addition of unlike fractions. Now, we are going to add two different fractions here, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. See, first let me do it in a graphical representation. See, let me take a rectangle representing half. I will take this part. Two parts, 1, 2. Among that I have taken 1. And the second one I will take 3 parts. Among that I will take 1. When you add, see how this will be when you add. See, this is half. I will keep it here. See, this is first part. Second part, I will keep it here. Second part. Okay. See, 1 by 2 is there. And 1 by 3 is also there. Okay. See, this is first part. This is second part. See, how can we represent this addition of these fractions? See, you will get one fraction here, you know. That, how are you going to represent that? I will tell you. Since the size of this part is big and the second part is small, now you cannot say the fraction, because when you go for fractions, the parts should be equal in size. To make it equal, say I will do one thing. See, I am going to divide this into 3 parts. A, B, C. Here I am going to divide it to 2 parts. A, B, A, B, A, B. Here the black half is there. A, B, C. Now the size will be same. See here, the same size rectangle I have taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. Now you can represent in the fractional form. How? How many parts they have formed? A, B, C. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. How many parts have been formed here? See, A and B. A, B. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts. Among how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. See, this will be the answer. 5 by 6 will be the answer. Okay. So how to solve 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3? See here, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. When you observe, denominators are different. So to find out LCM, 2 comma 3. See, by 2 you can divide it once. 3 as it is. 3, 1. The LCM is equal to 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. So that's why I have made it to 6 parts. See, this LCM will say into how many parts you should divide it again to make them in equal size. That into how many parts we should divide again to make them equal size, that will be, we can find it out by LCM. Okay, now once you find out the LCM, we should make the denominators as same as the LCM. So here 2 is there. To make it 6, it should be multiplied by 3. See here, it is divided into 3 parts. That is the meaning of that one. Multiplied by 3. So here already it is divided into 3 parts. To make it 6, again this it should be divided multiplied by 2. Means we are dividing into 2 parts. Multiplied by 2. So the resultant fractions will be 3 ones are 3, 2 threes are 6 plus 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6. The common denominator is 6. First numerator is 3, second numerator is 2, 5 by 6. The same answer will be.